I know like that pala.
Jamin more near like.
Uncle, this one video.
Yeah. You can
Wow.
tap and it will be photo.
Number what Number 6.
Okay.
Parang hindi aabot sa dulo to Try mo kung malagaling ka, malakas.
Oh, the two of you.
Where's your?
Miss.
Hindi ko ma. Jaya, you take photo?
No.
Video.
Take photo?
Yeah, for them. Because Benjamin is...
Bonsai.
Wait.
Alam mo, miss again. Ayun.
Like that.
These two
Ano yan? Practice lang?
Oh.
Wow, Benjamin. Wow. Try the bottle one the last. The bottle.
Bata kan hela.
Wait, there's a paintball.
For Benjamin here, Jaya. But Louis is
You're
there.
the judge. Tell who's the winner. Okay?
Ayun. Sabay kayong dalawa, Jo.
Benjamin, let's stop the... you hold them.
Two together. One, two.
Okay.
Me. You, both me.
Then, Jorel, I think you go there.
You both of you together.
Your so far go.
Release.
Then after
I
that.
think the other hand, your right hand, so first one.
Your hand, your hand a little bit down. Your eyes cannot see that.
Come.
Go.
One. Go mo. Tinatamaan ko yung bulsa.
Well, chess keys. It's for me it's a bit overpriced. It's like almost it's like $65. Yeah, cheaper.
May judge kayo, do you view got judge? Who's got higher points? Jurel. Benjamin, Jurel said higher points. Oh no. The last one is the highest point. Yeah, the bottom one. If you hit the bottle behind, you're the winner. If you hit the behind also the target, nobody.
Reset more up.
Bottle there, the behind the behind the far one.
So listen, you could do that.
Plastic.
Almost.
No battle already.
Oh, Jurel.
Bakit
Who
yung
hit the bottle is the winner.
bottle ang hinit niyo?
Oh no. And shoot together. You count na. No more hitting that.
Take one from the Benjamin.
Hit the bottle.
Oh, he's still. You wait.
Hit the bottle,
Count of three.
Wait.
Are you wait?
Count.
3, 2, 1, go.
Count properly again. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ayun.